got scammed for like 500. I'm gonna pull the trigger and see what happens. Oh, that's the OVO hoodie you got from the site. Well, what is going on, guys? Justin, OVO update, back again with another video, and today we're getting into a little story time on how I got scammed back in October. October was a crazy month for OVO. A lot of shit was going on, and in the midst of it, I got scammed for like $500, which is a lot of money, and being out of money that month was annoying, especially dropping tons of money on the Bape collab, the Roots collab, and tons of other stuff that month as well. So this was right before the Bape drop when the Lebanon hoodies came out, and the hype for those hoodies were insane. I'm sure you guys remember trying to cop it. It was absolutely impossible. I think resale on those hoodies today are still like $650, $700, which is crazy. But anyways, I struck out, so did a lot of people. Anyways, a few days later after the release, I got sent to me a link to this Lebanon website page, and there was like a full donation. It looked really legit, guys. It had certification badges. Let me just say, guys, the website sure did fool me because that shit looked legit. And on the page, you guessed it, they had the OVO hoodies, full size run. They had the official photos, the description was right. Everything looked so well done that, you know what, I was like, I'm gonna pull the trigger and see what happens. So I ended up getting the red hoodie and the black hoodie. I was super excited. I was like, oh my god, I got it for retail. Huge come up. And then a week or so later, I got this in the mail, and you guys are like, oh, that's the OVO hoodie you got from the site. Well, let's just say, man, we got a nice Gildan hoodie with a screen printed Lebanon OG owl. This is clearly a fake OVO hoodie, Gildan, cheap shit right here. And I was so upset when this shit came in the mail. I wanted to throw it away, I wanted to get rid of it. But you know what, guys, thank goodness for credit cards, because we just hit up the CC company. Yo man, I need my money back, I got scammed. Oh, no problem. In a matter of no time, I did get my money back, thank goodness. Thank goodness it wasn't some cash scam or anything like that. Just called the credit card company. But that just goes to show you guys, do not be buying OVO from these stupid scam sites, even if they have the official photos up. Only cop from trusted places, and that site was definitely not one of them. But now, since I am stuck with this hoodie, I don't want it in my house anymore. So I'm right across the street from a little donation bin. We're gonna go donate it because honestly, I don't even want this in my house anymore. Alright guys, here we are at the donation by Lebanon Fufu OGL hoodie. So that was it for today's video, guys. Just a quick little story time. I thought that was pretty funny and had to share it with you guys. But that is it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.